to Jamb 2010 Economics Past Question number 4. A major disadvantage of arithmetic mean. A major disadvantage of arithmetic mean is that it is A said it is not useful for large data. B said not suitable for further statistical analysis. C said cumbersome to determine the actual value. And D said affected by extreme data. Now, the disadvantages of arithmetic mean is that it cannot be obtained graphically. Okay, certain facts in it may not be revealed. It can lead to distorted results, and it may be difficult to obtain without calculations. Again, it may be badly affected by extreme values. So based on this, our option is option D, which is the correct answer, which says affected by extreme data. So option D is the correct answer. Please, thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.